welcome back to BTHQ Banter, week 51. Week 51, how exciting! BTHQ Banter is basically going to be a day this particular week because I'm only here today. It's Saturday. We have the lovely Julie back, ooh, terrible light, to do 3 more wreath making workshops, 2.5 of which I will be here for, so I'll capture some footage and then I am going home. So today for me is closing down the studio, getting all my final Christmas presents finished, packing up things like cameras, camera batteries, chargers, packing cubes. I need to take those home so I can get my packing done. And just basically tying up the loose ends so that I can leave the studio for what will be sort of nearly 3 weeks really. Please excuse my face. Yesterday I went to London with my mum and I'm going out of focus, there we go. Went to London with my mum and I went and saw a consultant at the LMS counter to try and fix this dodgy face because I'm so, you know, troubled with all these spots and things recently, and she started me on a new regime which already feels amazing, but obviously it's all very raw, very red, and as we all know, these things have to get worse before they get better. But there we go. So that's hence the blotchy redness and the sore looking eyes. I'm also very tired, and I am ready for this holiday. So let's see what happens today. So this morning's class is well and truly underway. They've almost finished. This looks beautiful, Shafali. I love that bow. Did you not? Did Julie do it for you? This is gorgeous as well.
Thank you.
I love it. I like the normal bows as well. They just look really nice, don't
You had
they?
me here before. You should know my.
Lovely. It's symmetrical.
Yes, it has to be.
I like symmetrical. That's a gorgeous bow as well. Look at that. So pretty. These look great. Photographer! Jump up and down, keep yourself warm. There we go. Class number 2 has finished. How did we get on, ladies?
Early.
Are we happy with our wreaths?
Yes, thank you.
Yay! Show us your wreaths. Let's have a look. Oh, this is beautiful. Lovely. Let's have a look, Annie. What fell off? Oh, yeah, bit of twig. It's not a twig, is it? Christmas tree. Pine, spruce, that stuff. Oh, it's so lovely. Makes me wish I had a front door for Christmas this year. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to pan along. They do. Every single one of them are different. Yeah, they all follow the same wonderful instruction, Julie.
She's a good teacher.
She is. Oh, super. Say cheese. Cheese. Meanwhile, in here, I've been making a hot mess. But I think I'm finally getting somewhere with my logo. It's really hard because it's layered, so I'm having to cut out all the pieces individually and then layer it up into a sticker before I can put it on anything. But I'm getting there. So course number 3 is well underway. Let's pop in and say hello to everyone. Here we go. Can we say hello, everyone?
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Jenny's here. She's brought her lovely daughter with her today. She can show her BTHQ space.
Yes.
You enjoy to chill.
Very impressed.
It's a bit of a mess today, Angela.
So far, so
And she
good.
wants another cup of tea. So
Oh, it's all good. She's good. Right. Julie, I'm going to love you and leave you now. So you're going to be the very last teacher to teach at BTHQ this year. Yeah, you will. Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
Okay, no problem.
And there's still 2 spaces next Sunday, isn't there?
Yes,
This will
there
go
is.
up on Friday, so if you want to come, I'll put a link down below for Julie's mantelpiece or table centre class. So I'm going home. It is my girls' night out tonight, so I'm off out to Prezzo to have some pizza and some Prosecco. So I need to go home and make myself look beautiful. So that is the end of BTHQ Banter, week 51. The end of classes now. You're not going to see any more classes. There is one more class. Julie is doing her table centre class next Sunday. And as I say, at the moment there is still 2 places left. I will link it down in the description. So if you do want a space place you can book it. Otherwise, I will love you and leave you, and I will see you for BTHQ Banter week 52, which is going to be a best of BTHQ Banter vid. So over and out, see you properly in 2020. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!